Want to smooth out wrinkles, fade dark spots, and give your skin a radiant glow, all using ingredients from your kitchen? Well, if you do, then stick around and watch this video to the end, because in this video, we're making a powerful anti-aging facial that's 100% natural and shockingly effective. If you're tired of overpriced skincare products packed with chemicals you can't even pronounce, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to show you how to make a golden anti-aging oil and a mask that boosts collagen, fades wrinkles, and deeply nourishes your skin naturally. Let's dive right into the recipe. Before we begin, here's everything you'll need for these two powerful skin treatments. For the anti-aging mask, 1 large potato for juice, 3 tablespoons of chickpeas, 300 milliliters of purified water, 50 milliliters of rosewater, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half tablespoon of flaxseed oil, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. For the collagen boosting facial gel, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, 200 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of potato juice, 10 drops of castor oil, half tablespoon of argan oil. Now that you got all the ingredients, let's get started with the first recipe. Mask potato juice base. We're starting with a skincare superhero, potato juice. It's full of natural enzymes, vitamin C, and antioxidants that brighten and tone the skin. Grab 1 large potato, wash it thoroughly, peel it, and grate it finely. Now squeeze out the juice using a clean cloth or strainer. This juice is going to help reduce dark spots and uneven skin tone while gently lifting dull, tired skin. Next up, there is chickpeas. They're rich in zinc and B vitamins, which are essential for skin regeneration and elasticity. Add 3 tablespoons of chickpeas to a small pot and pour in 300 milliliters of purified water. Simmer over low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, then strain out the liquid. What you're left with is a nourishing broth that's excellent for firming the skin and feeding your cells. Now for the magic touch. Add 50 milliliters of rosewater to your warm chickpea broth. Rosewater soothes the skin, fights redness, and smells amazing. Stir in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and gently heat the mixture again over low heat. Stir continuously until it thickens into a rich, creamy texture, just like a spa-grade mask. Remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Then, mix in 2 tablespoons of the potato juice. Now, it's time to enrich this blend with oils that your skin will absolutely love. Add half tablespoon of flaxseed oil for deep hydration, followed by 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to cool and soothe the skin. Mix everything until it's beautifully smooth. Here's a storage tip for the anti-aging mask. Store in a clean glass jar in the fridge. It'll stay fresh for 5 to 7 days. Here is how you use the anti-aging mask. Apply generously to clean skin, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. You'll notice smoother, plumper, and more luminous skin almost instantly. And now let's move to recipe number 2, a silky collagen-boosting facial gel that tones and tightens the skin. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to a pot with 200 milliliters of water. Let it boil gently for about 10 to 12 minutes until the liquid turns into a gel-like consistency. Then strain it to separate the gel from the seeds. To your warm flaxseed gel, add 2 tablespoons of fresh potato juice. Next, add 10 drops of castor oil, which is amazing for tightening the skin and reducing puffiness. Finally, mix in half tablespoon of argan oil, rich in vitamin E and fatty acids that improve elasticity and softness. Stir until the gel is smooth and creamy. Here's the storage tip for the collagen boosting facial gel. Keep refrigerated and use within 5 to 7 days. If it changes color or smell, make a new batch. Now here is how you use the collagen boosting facial gel. Apply a thin layer to clean skin using upward circular motions. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Use it 3 to 4 times per week to help firm sagging skin, brighten your tone, and keep that youthful, radiant look. So there you have it. 2 powerful DIY treatments that cost you next to nothing but deliver incredible results. These natural blends hydrate, tighten, brighten, and most importantly, help you age gracefully. The natural way. Let me know in the comments which recipe you will be trying first. I know that you find this video informative, informational, and very educational, so go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it. Then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video, but until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this also. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who loves natural skincare. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one.